Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ConvertKit affiliate program tracking for creator monetization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install ConvertKit affiliate program tracking for creator monetization, start by logging into your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the account settings section found in the left sidebar. Click on the Integrations tab to access the integration options. Scroll down until you find the affiliate program section. Select the option to add your affiliate tracking code. Copy the affiliate tracking script provided by ConvertKit. Now, open your website or platform where you want to install the tracking code. For WordPress users, go to your dashboard and select Appearance. Choose Theme Editor from the drop-down menu. Locate the header.php file in your theme files. Paste the affiliate tracking script you copied from ConvertKit just before the closing /head tag. If you are using a different platform, consult its documentation on adding custom scripts. Save your changes after pasting the code. Next, test the installation to ensure the tracking code is working properly. You can use tools like Google Tag Assistant to verify the tracking script is installed. Once you confirm that it's working, go back to your ConvertKit account. Navigate to the Landing Pages section to set up an affiliate landing page. Create a new landing page or edit an existing one to link to your affiliate products. Ensure you include clear calls to action for your audience to click through. Save and publish your landing page to make it live. Monitor your affiliate conversions through the ConvertKit dashboard. Make adjustments to your strategy based on the performance analytics provided. Now you have successfully installed ConvertKit affiliate program tracking for creator monetization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.